We begin again with the arrest warrant hearing for former President Park Geun-hye. Our Kim Ji-yeon, who has been standing by at the court, joins us. Ji-yeon, do start us off with some of the sticking points for the district court.
Well, Daniel, for the court today, the main focus was not on whether or not Park Geun-hye was guilty or not guilty of the criminal charges she's facing. Rather, it's determining whether she is a flight risk that could jeopardize the prosecutor's investigations into the criminal charges against her. Prosecutors have argued during the hearing today that it would be legally sound to put Park in jail due to the severity of the charges she faces, including a bribery charge that would carry a sentence of more than 10 years in prison. She's suspected of accepting a bribe of nearly $40 million from Samsung Group, as well as colluding with her confidant Choi Soon-sil to extort tens of millions of dollars from conglomerates, leaking confidential presidential office documents to Choi, and ordering the creation of a blacklist of cultural figures critical of the government. Prosecutors may have also argued that her closest former aides, her longtime confidant, as well as Samsung Electronics Vice Chairman Lee Jae-yong are already behind bars for colluding or aiding her in her alleged offenses. So it would not be fair to apply the law differently in her case. On the other hand, the former president has reportedly denied all of the charges again today in court. But whether that will keep her out of jail is unclear now, because the judge could interpret it as a willingness of the suspect to obstruct the authorities' investigation by using her influence to alter witness testimony and so on. Daniel?
Certainly, the impeached leader is looking untouchable and unshakable so far. The hearing is over now, Ji-yeon, and the wait begins. There's no arguing how significant that ruling will be on various levels.
Well, all eyes are on this case because it's a first for a former Korean president for a judge to hear or deliberate on the case of her arrest warrant. And it's highly probable that it will be a reference case in the future for the country if a disgraced state leader becomes liable for criminal charges during his or her time in office. And that's why the country is paying attention to every detail and whether she receives special treatment, such as whether the district judge referred to Park as former president or suspect, which was later found to be the latter. And the result of the deliberation, many believe, could come at the crack of dawn on Friday as Park awaits her fate in the Seoul Central District Prosecutor's Office. Daniel.